a tool, a technique, a system, something that we're using in our business that helps us save time, make more money, or just makes us more efficient, increases quality. Brian, I'm going to let you go first.
Cool. I always go first. That's good. So my tool is a way to get new, what should we say? It's a way to increase your video quality without building things from scratch. And so what this tool is, this is called Motion Array, and you're able to download things like logo reveals. I use it a lot for motion graphics, so that way we can have cool titles, arrows, all that sort of stuff. So really increase the quality of your video. The other way to do it is I use Adobe Premiere, go into Premiere, animate all the stuff yourself. It takes forever, or use After Effects and build it from scratch. Using this tool, Motion Array, I think it's $35 or $40 a month, but you can start it and stop it. I download a bunch of things, so that way I can have these tools. When I have videos, I can have cooler titles and cooler lower thirds and all that sort of stuff.
I like it.
Cool.
Always give us the fun, nerdy stuff.
I tried. I mean, isn't that my role on
to be the nerd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
beautiful. Well,
good.
I'm going to share a nerdy one too.
Ooh.
All right. So one of the things as a business person, especially a realtor or lender, is that you often are having to work with PDF documents. And let's just say, for example, when somebody sends me an offer, sometimes I get one PDF file that has everything in it. Sometimes I get 10 PDF files that have one thing in each of them. It could be difficult to manage those. And so a lot of times people get a service like Adobe Acrobat Pro or something like Nitro Pro, which are killer systems. They also have a killer hit to the pocketbook. And I don't like to spend money unless I have to. And I imagine if you're listening or watching, you're in the same boat. So I found a service that's pretty amazing. It'll do things like merge your PDFs, split them, compress them, convert them to PowerPoints, convert them to images, or convert images into PDF files. Like, you can unlock PDFs, you can lock PDFs, you can do all kinds of amazing stuff with this. And this service is called ilovepdf.com. Very, very simple. ilovepdf.com. And now here's the best part. This shit is free. It costs nothing, and it's super easy to use. It's super efficient. So ilovepdf.com, game changer for helping you manage your PDF files.
Cool.
So that's what we got for you guys today. Hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show. If you want to stay connected, you got questions you want us to answer on the next episode, go to thewhisselway.com. You'll be able to join our Facebook group, which is where you want to ask those questions. You can also subscribe to the podcast or the YouTube channel on there. That's what we got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will talk to you next time.
Subscribe to us on YouTube. We're hitting 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year.
Yeah, buddy. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.